Hello, this is Keith All. And today's tutorial is going to be an extension on my previous tutorial, which I taught you how to create an email template using the MailingBoss Autoresponder within the Builderall platform. Today we're going to take that email template and I'm going to show you how we can integrate that template into an email, whether it be a campaign email or email sequence. Now, a campaign email is a one-time email. It's also referred to as a broadcast email. An email sequence is just basically a series of emails that you can send out through your autoresponder. In this case, the MailingBoss autoresponder, and in each one of those emails will utilize this template. So right now I'm in the Builderall MailingBoss dashboard, and to create an email you could go up, there's many different ways, but you could go up here where it says campaigns and you could select email sequence or all emails. Let's do that, and then let's select or create a new email. So we'll come over here and we'll create new, and again we're gonna name this whatever we want, template email example 2, and it's going to be a regular email. In this case, a regular email is a broadcast email. In other words, it's one single email that will go out at a specific day and time. We could either choose an existing list that we already have, or we could create a new subscriber list. So let's create a new subscriber list, and then it's going to come back to this screen again, and I'll just have to select this campaign name. So let's go over here, create new list, template example 1. I'm going to just name it 2, and let's do that. In the description, I'll just do that. Of course, you could be more detailed than this when you're actually creating a list. So I'm going to select Save Changes, and it's come back here. We'll just have to type this in again. 2. It's going to be a regular email instead of an autoresponder. And again, it doesn't have to be a regular email. Just for tutorial purposes, I'm going to select regular email. And the list I'm going to use is the one that we just created here. And then you could choose a sequence, or you don't have to choose a sequence. So I'm just going to leave that blank. So I'm going to click. Again, we won't go into detail here. Save and next. Now it brings you to the email editor. Now this is where you could load in your template. So right here there's a button that says change or select template. So let's click on that, and it's going to bring up a list of your templates that you have, and this is the one that I created in the previous tutorial. So I'm going to choose that. Now it loads that template in there. Again, you could also modify it here if you so choose to do so. You could also at the bottom here, you could add available tags. So let's which you couldn't do in the template process itself when you're first creating a template. So let's click in this text element here, and I'm going to press enter. I'm going to say hi, and let's say you want to basically it's gonna you could select any type of tags listed below that are currently available. So everything here that's currently available you could select here. You could say you could select time or date. Let's select date, and let's go back up here. So in other words, whenever you send out an email, to your subscribers, it's going to select whatever the date field is, the value of that date field is, or the value of the person's email, or the value of a person's first name or last name, or both. And that's what available tags are. So you could put that in this email editor right now. So if you're satisfied with this template as is, all you need to do is save and next. Give it a second. There you go. And now it brings you to the next screen. It's going to say from name, from email, whatever that you want to use, okay, and a reply to, and it's going to say who's it going to send it to, basically. So it's going to use the when it's looking up your subscriber emails, it will take the value of the person's email and pop it into here. So we won't go over to the advanced section at this point, but this is just basically showing you how you could use bring in your email template. And so email template example 2. Let's save and next. Now at this time, since it's a regular email, it's going to send it at this time at 12:39 p.m. So which is basically now. So what you could do is then, if you want to test it, you could send click that button, put in your email address, whatever that may be, and select send test. I won't do that at this point, but what it will do, it will send that email to you, and then you could view it in your email provider, and you'll be able to see how it looks. Okay. So at this time, you could then save and activate the email, which what will happen, it will send out this email immediately at this particular day and time that you set here. Or you could just click saved, which is what I'm going to do, and you'll have this email ready for you to be sent whenever that you want to. Again, the process is the same if it was going to be an autoresponder email, which is an email sequence. Also, you could load up your template from the email editor. So hopefully this tutorial gave you some ideas on how to work with templates within the MailingBoss autoresponder in the Builderall platform. Again, subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification, so whenever a new video is ready, you'll be first to be notified. And also please like, share, and comment on this video. I certainly appreciate your support and your time today. I want to thank you again. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.